TNPSC Combined Statistics Services Exam Unit 3. Today we are discussing topics geometric distribution and hypergeometric distribution. Geometric distribution. A geometric distribution is a probability distribution that represents the number of trials needed to obtain a success in a Bernoulli experiment, that is, the Bernoulli trial. Suppose we have a series of independent trials or repetitions, and on each repetition or trial, the probability of success P remains the same. Then the probability that there are X failures preceding the first success is given by Q raised to X into P. Now let us define a geometric distribution. A random variable X is said to have a geometric distribution if it assumes only non-negative values and its probability mass function is given by P of X is equal to small x is equal to Q raised to X into P for the values of X 0, 1, etc. And for all other values of X, the PMF is 0. And also we have 0 less than P less than or equal to 1. Now let us see some practical uses of geometric distribution. The first one is scenario analysis. Probability distributions such as geometric distribution can be used to create scenario analysis. A scenario analysis is where several distinct possibilities for the outcome of a particular event can be compared to make a decision. Another one example is sales forecasting. Geometric distribution can be used with scenario analysis to predict future sales of businesses. While the precise value for future sales cannot be predicted, understanding the likely sales can allow businesses to prepare. Another one practical situation is risk evaluation. Another use of geometric distribution is to evaluate risk. The risk of making a particular decision can be evaluated with the use of probability distributions. Now let us discuss some model questions related to geometric distribution. Question number 1. What is the PMF of geometric distribution? The answer is P of X is equal to X is equal to Q raised to X into P for the values of X 0, 1, 2, etc. And for all other values of X, the PMF is 0. Also we have 0 less than P less than or equal to 1. Question number 2. What is the mean of geometric distribution? The answer is Q by P. Question number 3. What is the variance of geometric distribution? The answer is Q by P square. Question number 4. What is the moment generating function of geometric distribution? The answer is P by 1 minus Q e raised to T. Question number 5. What is the characteristic function of geometric distribution? The answer is P by 1 minus Q e raised to IT. Question number 6. If X follows a geometric distribution, then P of Y is equal to T given X greater than or equal to K for Y is equal to X minus K and K and T greater than or equal to 0 is dash. The answer is P of X is equal to T. Question number 7. The above mentioned property of geometric distribution is called dash. The answer is lack of memory of geometric distribution. Note, the geometric distribution is said to lack memory in a certain sense. Suppose an event E can occur at one of the times t is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. and the occurrence or waiting time x has a geometric distribution. Thus, p of x is equal to t is q raised to t into p for t is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. Suppose we know that the event E has not occurred before k. That is, x is greater than or equal to k. Then let us suppose y is equal to x minus k. Thus, y is the amount of additional time needed for E to occur. Then p of y is equal to t given x greater than or equal to k is equal to p of x is equal to t, which is equal to q raised to t into p, which implies that the additional time to wait has the same distribution as initial time to wait. Since the distribution does not depend upon k, in a sense it lacks memory of how much we shifted the time origin. If B were waiting for the event E and is relieved by C immediately before the time k, then the waiting time distribution of C is the same as that of B. This is lack of memory property of geometric distribution. Now question number 8. The recurrence formula for geometric distribution is dash. The answer is p of x plus 1 is equal to q into p of x. Question number 9. What is the PGF of geometric distribution? The answer is p by 1 minus qt. Question number 10. If x and y are two geometric variates, then the conditional distribution of x given x plus y is equal to n is dash. The answer is uniform distribution. Question number 11. If a patient is waiting for a suitable blood donor and the probability that the selected donor will be a match is 0.2, then find the expected number of donors who will be tested till a match is found, including the matched donor. The answer is 5. Question number 12. A light bulb manufacturing factory finds 3 in every 60 light bulbs defective. What is the probability that the first defective light bulb will be found when the sixth one is tested? The answer is 0.0368. Our next topic is hypergeometric distribution. When the population is finite and the sampling is done without replacement, so that the events are stochastically dependent, although random, we obtain hypergeometric distribution. Consider an urn with n balls where m of which are white and n minus m are red. Suppose that we draw a sample of small n balls at random without replacement from the urn. Then the probability of getting k white balls out of n small n where k is less than n is mck n minus m c small n minus k the whole divided by nc small n. Since k white balls can be drawn from m white balls in mck ways and out of the remaining n minus m red balls, small n minus k can be chosen in n minus m c small n minus k ways, the total number of favorable cases is mck into n minus m c small n minus k. Now let us define a hypergeometric distribution. A discrete random variable x is said to follow hypergeometric distribution with parameters n, m and small n if it assumes only non-negative values and its probability mass function is P of x is equal to small x is equal to h of k n m small n, which is equal to m c k n minus m c n minus k the whole divided by n c small n, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to minimum of n or n comma m. And for all other values of k, the PMF is 0. Also we have n is a positive integer and m is a positive integer not exceeding n, and small n is a positive integer that is at most m. Now let us see some model questions related to hypergeometric distribution. Question number 1. What is the PMF of hypergeometric distribution? The answer is P of x is equal to small k is equal to h of k n m small n is equal to m c k into n minus m c small n minus k the whole divided by n c small n, where k is equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. up to minimum of n comma capital M. Question number 2. What is the mean of hypergeometric distribution? The answer is small n into capital M divided by capital N. Question number 3. What is the variance of hypergeometric distribution? The answer is capital N into capital M into capital N minus capital M into capital N minus small n the whole divided by capital N square into capital N minus 1. Question number 4. What is the moment generating function of hypergeometric distribution? The answer is it does not exist. That is, hypergeometric distribution does not have moment generating function, or moment generating function does not exist for hypergeometric distribution. Question number 5. Recurrence formula for hypergeometric distribution is dash. The answer is h of k plus 1 n m small n is equal to n minus k into m minus k divided by k plus 1 into n minus m minus small n plus k plus 1 into h of k n m small n. Question number 6. Hypergeometric distribution tends to dash distribution as n tends to infinity and m by n tends to p. The answer is binomial. Question number 7. If the sample size is 6 and the population is 50 from which it is drawn without replacement and the elements for success are 22, then the variance of hypergeometric probability distribution is dash. The answer is 1.388. Question number 8. If the total number of elements with some specific characteristics is 18 from a population of 40 and the sample is drawn without replacement with the size of 4, then the mean of hypergeometric probability distribution is dash. The answer is 1.8.